All right, so I'm here today to share the Resi proposals that the team from the Living Greens Urban Farm have put forward to the Catalyst community. And we have 4 proposals, and they're all linked at our website. Our website's resi.works. The Resi token is available every epoch from Drip Drops, and it's a token that supports projects that build community resilience and sustainable practices on the Cardano blockchain. So we delivered on a Fund 8 proposal, and this is our team here that together we built the Urban Farmer D app. It is a tool that allows small farmers to learn and grow microgreens, baby lettuces, herbs, building on community resilience. And these 4 proposals move this project and our other projects forward. So we have a triple bottom line: people, planet, and profit, that we always seek to build into each of our tools. And we have the 4 proposals. Start with the first is the Sidechain Launcher Toolkit. Sidechain Launcher Toolkit's looking for 247,500 ADA. That's 2.85% of the Development and Infrastructure Fund. In this proposal, it's a critical piece of infrastructure for Cardano, because we're going to quickly define and launch an application-specific sidechain, which will help build the scalability of Cardano. So our tool is going to launch all of the necessary tooling and assist with the smart contracts that are needed in order to launch a sidechain. Then we're building on the SIP88 CIP that does on-chain intent for tokens, and we're building an on-chain intent for sidechains. So discoverability will occur for stake pool operators and also for wallets.